walking and walking.
Pretty close.
Look at this.
Are you riding on that statue? Look at me. Capri, look at me.
Hold on.
Hold on. Okay, I'll hold on. I feel like I'm going to be holding a really long time.
Wait, there's a bike right here.
There's a what?
Hold on. He's back. He's a kid.
Careful, don't lean too far.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah.
Let's get down.
Get down. Let's walk. Let's walk.
There you go, okay. Walk with Daddy. You're doing a good job. I want to get a picture of Zosie. Oh, you woke up. Good morning. How did you wake up? You've been sleeping for a long time. Hi, Zosie. You look cute. Want to look out? There you go. She's just holding on to a strap in there. That's cute. Want to hold my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to hold Daddy's hand. Oh, walking.
Oh, nice.
Let's jump.
Okay, jump. Run.
Let's use this one.
Wait, we gotta keep going. This way, this way. Ah! Quick! We're leaving! Hurry! Come catch up! Hurry, fast! Run! Daddy, come on!
You don't realize how pink we dressed her until.
Yeah, she's very pink. Oh, there we go.
Let me hold Daddy's hand.
Whoa! You gotta keep walking. Hey, walk. Oh boy, okay, okay. Okay. Get in the stroller so we can go fast. We gotta go, lady. But I do. I really do. It's because this walk is taking us 10 times as long. Oh no, she lost a shoe. What do you think about that, Zoe? Are your fingers stuck? Oh, this one's all red. Hi, dear. How are you? Are you happy? Did you have a good nap, little toothy girl? Hi, dear. Okay, get in your stroller. You need to get in here. Oh, he's grabbing you with puffs. I heard it.